Okay, to just start developing your portfolio pages, you need to kind of start playing around with your portfolio and the different options that you have. So if you click, I'm in edit mode, and you should be able to get to this from your Weebly dashboard and just click on the one you want to edit and then click edit site, and then it'll take you here. So here's all the different things that you can do. Title, which would be this. Text would be this, and you'll see if I mouse over them, all of the little things highlight. And if I want to delete something, I can just delete the whole thing. If I want to delete there, if I want to edit the image or delete the image even, I can do that. And you're going to have to do a lot of deleting on these pages because there's already a template. So you can just change a lot of things or whatever, but I just want you to be looking around for right now. And if you click on pages up here, you'll see that some of them, yours won't have the same ones as mine, unless you pick this specific template. But what I want you to see is this little page turn down right here. This is standard pages. Those are the kind that are going to be in your portfolio. But this one right here that has the little quote bubble, that's a blog page. And we actually want to delete that because you don't need it. And if you keep it, it could mess up the rest of your stuff. Anyway, but the 4 pages, or 5 pages actually, that you are going to need are going to be exactly like the ones that I have on our Weebly website. So I'm going to keep this one open. So I'm going to go to the portfolio. And so that's what you should do as well. You will have these pages open in one, and you'll have your, let me go back to that. You'll have your portfolio open in another one. So I can just go back and forth. Here it is. So back and forth. Okay, so this is my home page. So you have a home. And then you also need an About Me page. So I'm going to click right on this one. I'm going to change this to About Me. Okay. And all I have to do is click back. Okay. I'm going to click on this work one, and it needs to be in my classroom. And you are going to need a contact me page, contact info, but you need one more other page. So I'm going to click right here and do the plus, and I'm going to click standard page, and I'm going to call it professional page. And then you click done. And you'll notice it's down here. I want this professional page to be up here. So I'm just going to click and drag. You'll notice that it has those 3 little buttons or dots that come up. So you can move that around. So you just drag it, click and drag it. And then on the contact page, I'm going to do contact info. And then, so you should have home, about me, and my classroom professional page, and then contact info. Now for this part of your assignment, you really only need to have the major components of each page. So if I go to my home page in the portfolio, you're going to have a introductory paragraph, and I just tell you a little bit about maybe how to start, and then some things that you could put in here. You're going to have a picture, and then you're going to have a title with a little bit of information. So to do that, you can start to play around with the different components of your website. So like up here, you can take off the logo, take that off, and then you'll notice that your pages should be reflected up here now, and if they're not in the right order, you can drag them around. But let me end this video here, and then I'm going to show you how to deal with the different components of your pages in the next video.